Good afternoon, folks. This is Ari Bus's YouTube channel. Thanks for checking in. Today is Black Friday, 2016, the day after Thanksgiving, and it's also known as the busiest shopping day of the year. But instead, I'm inside practicing with my Nerf guns. This is Ari's dad talking. We're making one of his first videos with his Nerf guns. Now I'll let Ari show you his Nerf gun, and then he'll start firing. Take it away.
So welcome to my fourth video. This is the Nerf gun that I'm going to be using. It is called the Nerf Strife. I really like the nice printing. It's a very nice, bright orange color. And it holds a 5-dart clip.
Six dart clip.
And I really like the printing right there. And in case the bullets get jammed in there, there's a little jam opener. And this gun is automatic.
Show the action figures.
So those are the action figures that you saw from my previous video.
There's all of them.
Oh, wait. This guy's helmet comes off, and this really what it looks like after I shoot it.
Now you're gonna try to shoot some?
Yeah, I'm just going to leave this helmet on for head protection. Okay, so I'm going to try and shoot him down. About right there. See the thing I can shoot down. Well, after you shoot one, you're pretty much going to have to stop shooting, and then you're going to have to press the automatic button again and shoot.
All right, hit some targets.
3, 2, where
Show everybody how you reload.
just like a normal Nerf gun.
It's a nice ammo box you got. Couple different kinds of ammo in there.
Mm-hmm. So I'll tell you what kind of ammo we got. We got the normal Nerf Mega bullets. We got the normal Nerf gun bullets. We have the Nerf like Atlas, Chaos, Zeus, Polo, Nerf bullets.
We'll have other videos with his other guns.
And this I just got from a little dark one.
Okay, finish reloaded.
And then the last one we got is from Air Warriors.
All right.
Okay, so I reloaded my gun, and now we are going to shoot. One down. And we're out of ammo.
All right, everybody. Thank you for watching this part of the Nerf gun YouTube video. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Ari, do you want to say anything else?
I don't really want to, but I will do one more round of shooting.
Okay, one more quick round of shooting. Why don't you tell some people what you're thankful for? What are you thankful for this year? It's Thanksgiving.
My shelter, the shelter that I have, my family, the food and water that I have, and my teacher that teaches me new things every day.
Very nice. And all your puppies?
Yep, and all my cute little puppies.
All right, one more round here. Let's knock some more targets down.
I want to try to knock down at least 2 or more.
Okay.
I'm going to go over here. Over there.
Nice, you got 2. All right, everyone.
That's all we have today. Hope you guys enjoyed. We will be
You want to record me
back.
first? I'm Ari's dad. Just want to say thanks for tuning in. Keep checking back for more videos. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.
Peace out.